Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a frame to your picture on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the selfie that you would like to frame. Then you should slide on the or down below to the right side of the screen, and after that click on the frames section. As you slide to the right side again down below your picture, you can see all of the available frames that you can apply to your selfie or picture. Here you have the original, avatar, club, color burst, edgy, paintbrush, and so on. And you also have the chance in the case of some of these filters to adjust it to your picture. So here you can see how it looks like, and below you can also set the color of the frame. When you are done, click on the apply button down below and then your picture will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.